So last but not least, you have Shannel, right? Shannel, put it in the camera and Jesus Christ, I really look like one hands now. Anyway, so first thing first, chat, what me do, right? And I think it's the right thing for them. I apologize to her in some way. I don't apologize because I feel like say me I hurt you. Like, yes, you feel like me not love you. And that's the part that me not like. Me not like your style. It's just the truth. Me don't like your style. But otherwise, you're okay. It's just some style where you have, and me just can't deal with that. Let me tell you, you have a style where anywhere you go, you know business, you don't just embarrass yourself, you just embarrass people. I mean, I like it.
I understand.
I feel like say, some of the time, even when you and your partner have problem, bite your lip some of the time till you reach your yard or come in one little corner and take time and talk, no make nobody know. But you just outburst and do it right there and then. Everybody just a look pan uno. You get what I say? And even with me see you do it with some of the time and I don't like it. So those are the style me don't like. You understand? But me not put TT over you. And I'm going to make you understand the reason why I say me not put TT over you. I tell TT the truth. Right? I tell TT the truth. Leave Jaga alone because she will love herself. You understand me? And you're a baby father. You have a right to talk about your baby father or whatever. You understand what I say? I talk to TT and tell her say, to love herself because I want TT to love herself with you. Remember, you know? Remember, TT has smarty girl with me too. I went to the look and tell TT and say, TT, pack your back and come out. The whole of week you have TT up here so. And TT a par with me. That not look good. And I same thing for you. I remember say you have Jaga because Jaga love you. And you know that Jaga care about you. I don't know when you say you have, but you don't work together. You get what I'm trying to say to you? Right? So the end of the day, the reason why me choose to stand up with TT is because I feel like TT don't have nobody else to stand up for her. Me feel like said me supposed to do the right thing for her. However, TT don't, she said it already last night, she don't say it, she love Jaga. And she weak to when they in the middle, one way I tell the woman say, that's how me look on it. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So I don't feel like say you and TT is supposed to live bad. I don't feel so. If you say you and TT, you're supposed to can understand at the end of the day. If you don't want to, that's okay. Right? Alright, I talk a lot now, so
When you say me and TT live bad, I don't have no problem with the girl. Me keep even last night when you they pay your life or you think me I disrespect you for your life. I know me not call the name for my life, you know me I talk about me, Dragon TT for my. And me I tell the girl say
guys, I beg you to tap up the screen now, please. Yes.
I am telling the girl that I don't have any problem with TT.
Okay. Okay, so that means me don't jump to conclusion then. Or
Yeah,
we are going for the
me
comment
no call
section.
your name, I'll know for my life, me no call your name.
But when them carry the life downstairs come give me, when the woman attack, it sounds very much disrespectful when time you say, when your penny then grew up, you know, one smarty they now go like. You understand me? So, what the conversation was about?
Me say for my life, say, when me put the neck grow big, they now go like, no, we all me and the father. That me say.
Why you say that about your kids them? Why you say that about your kids?
Because of them, every minute, them things that will happen on the media. Then they must have gone on tan far sometime.
And you have put that for your kids? Okay, alright, tell them, I said, tell them don't come in our inbox. I will come in your inbox, I look money. You see the man look like him a back? Oh, Jesus Christ. Look, lock them out of the box. Lock them out.
Chrissy said they do me the same.
Them do you the same thing? Oh, so them are watch me gifters, them. Them are watching gifters. Guys, me I beg gonna support the live chat. Support the live because we're going to go down in it. We are begging you. Support the live chat. Everybody over here, so we definitely love. supporting us and there for me too. Oh my. Really? Really, Duke? Hey, them people are wicked and bad, you know. But anyway, we'll soon come to that. Chat, we're gonna support the live, my guys. Everybody, guys, double tap, chat. Use the taps. All right, so now you have to come over a little bit more because you're not getting the camera. All right, so we're gonna ask some question, and you have all right to talk again because remember, say you know you have a voice of your own. So, all right, so it's the last night that never did happen so for me. I apologize. You get what me I say? I think we deal with the situation, you know, poorly. Was it because I'm stressed? I swear to you. Like you see me got doctor today, she said I'm really and truly stressed, you get me? So me apologize, but me not put TT over you. Me just don't want TT to feel left out and feel like she don't have nobody.
I understand.
You understand what I say? And yeah, that's what bother me. And next
but,
thing,
Mom, yeah, make you look like say me did tell yourself to run TT. Me never say that.
no, but the thing is this TT always a cry. You over there so with Jagger, she a ball, she gone around this, so gone lock up in a room like some sad little puppy.
But the thing is, yeah, cause me and I make it look like say me a problem. I don't
because I feel like gonna set up TT. It's just the truth. At first, you and TT was so good. Well, we're gonna do threesome. Woo. And it's you, TT, and Jagger sleeping in one bed. We don't know what good or many in there. But when three person sleeping in one bed, we know it's a niceness gone. No TT start build up feelings. You get what me I say? TT I say she did like you. And you not pay her no mind. And she in love with Jagger. And Jagger not pay her no mind. So to me feel like someone just build up her and it's someone just jump her.
The thing is, I Jagger not pay TT no mind. Of course, we still talk to TT. I Jagger not pay her no mind.
No, me understand said when Jagger go to her, or me say Jagger give one look at $1,000 for buy himself something. Are you begs over that?
Me never know say Jagger get TT no money. Me never know that.
Really?
And you just tell me that a news to me. Me never know that.
So
I swear to God, me
so what
never know
about
that.
when time Jagger talk to her or play with her or whatever? You start get up in your feelings.
No,
you must admit it because Jagger admit it. Jagger seem confused because sometimes you begs up when he talk to she.
No. Yesterday when they were playing at the car, me never have no problem with that. Me never vex about that. The reason why I made it vex, the reason why me and Tati did catch up in an argument and vex is because one of them morning here, me get up and me say me I go wash some clothes, and then me say Tati carry your clothes and me wash them. Me no know Tati carry the clothes them downstairs. Then gone. Then me see them on the line. Me say Tati wear your clothes them. Me say TT wash them. So me start cussing. Of course me I go cuss.
Shannel, you can't wash. You can wash.
But you're bright. No me bright. No me always wash me everything in them
guys,
clothes.
look here. Look on the fingernail.
A washing machine wash them. But you're bright.
Oh, so but TT wash them with her hand.
Yeah man, real housewife.
No, TT unwash them.
Yeah man, real housewife.
So that's the reason why you did vex?
Me not work so hard. Me not wash no clothes with no hand.
Well, me not have a problem, but me I say if that's why you did vex about she because she wash her clothes them for you.
No, me never vex because she wash the clothes them. I thought you bring the clothes and go give the girl. I thought you me vex with. Me never vex with TT. Me vex with TT for.
Oh my God. So how you feel about putting yourself together for to come?
I already have my papers. So me know anytime I'm ready, don't tell me.
Alright, you're ready. So how you feel about TT coming to Panama? So
I don't feel no way about that.
Shannel, stop that.
As long as it not go cause no problem and nobody know in their feelings again.
Okay, so fresh you up in our feelings. You okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay with that.
Okay, that sounds good. But me not trust you know. I feel like in moment when you hit Kingston airport on start already. Thank you, baby.
Who you not trust? Who you not trust?
And if you put why you call my name to put myself in a Shannel position? Lady, you say if you not listen good, me I beg you, don't come with certain things because where we is right now we are talk. You understand me? I said, did that in any way I ever like me no want you and Jagger for there? Me ever tell you say enough you're there with Jagger?
Try remember.
You remember good if me I tell you if you're not there with Jagger. Nobody can stop you from there with Jagger.
Yeah, I will leave a time and tell me if you left him, but you know me not gonna listen to you, so that's why.
So why reason why I tell you if you left him?
Like when me and him were cussing.
Of course, me no want to see no man a click you. Me no want to see no man a lick my girl pretty, so me not go watch no man a come lick no people girl pretty. Me say left him ras and run him way. Sometimes me cuss you and say you're idiot. You understand what I say? Me say you're idiot because me can't believe that you come make him and come deal with your son. I mean now I got to tell you so. You understand? When this lady I go say me if I put myself in a for your position, in your position, and I put myself in your position, and I put myself in her position, and I look at the both of you. You know when I look, and I say to Shannel, I say Shannel, I say Titi, leave Jagger alone because I see where it go because a problem and you as a baby mother go feel a way about certain things. You understand what I say?
See, I remember one time when me just find out about Titi and there's something there. And Tajia called my phone and tell me about the lies me and in the side of Titi. When in the left and come up here, he called my phone. After I go up on live, go tell everybody one bag of things. He call my phone, you know.
The town Jagger?
Yeah, and tell me other things. After all of that happened now, and in the come back up of my yard, me find out say he still attack to Titi.
Well on there.
Him tell me
Well on. Chat me I beg gonna bless up your life. Chat me I beg gonna bless up the live chat. Double tap chat. We're supposed to can get some taps and we're supposed to can get some blessing on the live. Bless up the live chat.
So in left from up on your house, come up on my house.
Well on there, we need some taps and
wait.
some. Yeah, you have look on your live.
Oh, me never really look. Really see.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, guys. Guys, now I'm gonna bless up the live my side. What I do? They take down your live goal. Your live goal gone, Shannel.
Live goals, they not touch.
So ladies, no money go there. Thank you.
Thank you for the money gone.
Queen, thank you for the heart, baby.
Yeah, so as me I say, him left up on your house, come up on my house. And then when him tell me said that time them never know say I like Tajay tell me. Tajay tell me say him and Titi in a relationship. And because I come up at the yard come catch him and it never did go so far and Tajay tell me a lot of things. And then me take up all of the information in my head now. And I say, well, are the two of them my problem? Not knowing that Tajay was also telling Titi lies too. Not me alone. So, you know, when me find out, so Tajay tell me be a lie, the day when Titi do the pregnancy prank, and she did the pregnancy test something. If Jabba's never come up on the live and say him have screenshot and I read the message them, me wouldn't know say Tajay tell the girl be a lie.
Jesus, so well on there. So at Jabba's you end up finding out them sometimes?
Yes, Jabba start the message them.
When must say to you girl?
I tell the girl be a lie. You remember the night when we got your birthday dinner? Tajay text the girl and the girl Titi must see me and Tajay on the live together and go and kiss and
yeah, but remember birthday night when they not go past.
Tajay must text him friend or text Titi and I tell Titi about me and him not there with it. Me sleeping in the room with you and winch them when nothing no go sign up.
Jaga. Okay.
So him did a lie to both of us. So from that time them realize said Titi is not the problem. And him I lied.
So he might use him brains by the both side. I'ma tell lie. You understand? And the thing is this now because I feel like he knows the girl have that little touch there for him. You know me I say cause when a woman weak to somebody, you know, Shannel, me I tell you, you know, easy, you know. You understand me I say that's why me I try more want she find herself. And and just low out of this, you get what me I say, because today I say to her, I say to her, I say, because she said she feel a way, you over there start eat chicken with him, and she the over here, so. And I say to her, I say, TT, come anything you want, you know, say me I go buy TT, right? And TT can take money and go buy what she want. So I said to her, I said, you obligated, that's your baby father. You understand me? I say, you obligated to your baby father, that. But yet still, it depends on what the person tell TT say.
Exactly.
Make TT feel this way.
And the thing is, you see, due to how me say she a go on, me not really judge her, and me not really judge her to how some people that judge her. Me a woman too, and me know say from a woman a go on, so the man a tell her things or a do things to make she go on, so.
I understand what you say, but me not like the fact where you're calling her a whore. Me not like that fact.
Honestly,
that
me did upset.
Me know you're upset and you go talk things, but me not like when you say that. Well, me not like when you say that about her. You understand? And you know that must hurt her feelings really fucking bad. When you call her one whore or one go-go. You understand what I say, Shannel? And me okay, me understand. Duke did.
Yes, he was. And still is.
You know, you went him, Jagger.
I asked if Tate's father was a player.
Oh, him asked if him Tate. Yes!
And still is.
And still is. Yes, him father, it was a player and still a player.
What about the browning? Who that?
Oh, Ronaldo. Oh, you know about the browning. Me never did not go send up Nina Ronaldo. Ronaldo, oh, you get it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, back to the sun top step, please. I want to choke me. Guys, back to the sun top step, please. See me double tap and just nice up his screen. Make his screen look good. Chat me, I beg to send me some gift, please, and thank you. We deserve it. Hold on, we soon talk about that part of my love. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, bless up your life, bless up your life, bless up your life. Guys, everybody that here, so we are begging you, I want to bless up the life now, please, and thank you. I need some for click. That's really true. I feel me with me and we see you starting with an animal to understand himself when you're talking about growing up, you have to understand to say, you understand me? Jaga bad man, but God a merciful man. Chat, we are begging on money gun, chat. We are begging on money gun. We are begging on Galaxy. Anything you can put on the chat, guys. We are begging on that. Please and thank you. We are begging you for bless up your life, my side. Bless up your life, chat. Bless up your life. Thank you, baby. Queen, bless you, and baby. Amy. Ronaldo. Thank you so much for that swan, baby. Thank you. I would have to listen to you live.
Almost 8 years old.
I would have to listen to you live.
8 years old.
I may say and I repeat it. Alright, guys, to be honest, you want to you go first. You go first. So me ask you a question, right? Alright, guys, me ask Chi this question, me do it that way, yeah? So you know yourself because it chooses just the truth, but it's just a question me ask you. So him have TT and say you, right? But me know say you and baby mother and he love you. Me see that pan. You know anybody ramp with him baby, I love that. But what I'm saying is you think say him alone, just asking a question, you know, me not say I hate you know. So in yourself, you think him you alone have differently from you and TT, you know have nobody else?
No, me can't trust Tadri, mom, you know that already. Me can't trust Tadri. And by the way, me know say Tadri have a bag of girl talk to you in WhatsApp, can me see them? And TikTok too.
And TikTok.
Tadri can't be trusted.
Okay. Well, there you go, and there you said it. You understand?
But are the truth thing can be trusted. So even before me find out about TT, I know TT alone that did I talk to on the phone. Yeah, me find out about TT because TT did a call on phone, the rest of them ain't really a call.
Oh, TT did more into him like that. Do you understand me? So so come TT get catch. Right? But me like it have it too. Me like it fact where you can talk to TT though. Me like that. Honestly, me like how you like some woman who don't want to talk to her. Some woman who don't want to fight her. And that enough of them are woman that didn't want to see.
Me nah fight no woman over no man.
Over no man, alright. And me like that the fact about you where you can find common ground and decide said no, I'm not gonna fight over no man. You understand what I say? And you still find it where you can talk to her. What if a woman go want influence you and tell her say, no, we should have do this, you should have do that, right? You find it where you and her could have become friends. But what TT has said,
D, I call you.
hey D, what's up? Annie, what me do? Me not do nothing. D, what on?
But D, what you have to do other? Yes, you do something.
What do not that thing?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You make tears of down my eye, girl. Me I cry. Can't help myself. Me I cry. Like just to a screen record with you and Shannel. I mean, when I come and look at me see two and I couldn't help but ball. Oh God. Me see you today now, and me I say, Jesus Christ, Jesus have mercy. And then see you yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I apologize.
Oh God.
You were all mistake, girl.
I apologize to her because you said some really hurtful things to her, you know.
We said hurtful things to each other, like no joke.
Oh God, man, me not lie, I feel it today now. Wanna make me heart hurt, me man.
No man,
they
we're good.
No.
We're good. I swear to you. Even one time she got them, now me come there and hug you up and kiss you. I'll me go run out.
Yeah, because wanna make me heart hurt me. Wanna make me heart hurt me. God
no,
no.
Man. We're not
you come like you want to say, you come like you have me blood pressure if you go like fear in a curve.
No, we're not gonna make it up, man. You know why you're gonna catch high blood pressure? No.
Me say, they are stressed out, oh God have mercy. Me told her say me love you, man, I know that I stress out my rascal brain so.
We're not stressed out no more. I swear to you. We're not gonna do it again. And this girl are gonna call me name and say, Annie, me say Jesus Christ, what me do? No man. No man.
Oh God, let me see it wanted to get on a face, tears I run down my face. Oh God, we can't believe. Let me glad back just bust, me just happy. God
Thank
no.
You, baby. Come here, come give me a hug, man. Your backside. Me girl, man.
Oh God, and you know, not tap to each other so bad, no. Jesus, with the love of God.
No matter what, we not left each other, so we stand.
I stop telling about him Paris, because young girl pretty and he Paris didn't look no way.
Shannel a nice girl. But enough time me cuss him off, you know. You don't cuss me too and lick me. When he ready, fling big licking at me and cuss me off and this. And I'm me and him that again.
You see, most mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, they go at it, but they don't find their way back. So people say when they can there, so and when you can talk it out and you can reason it out and good, it's an amazing thing. And me honestly just wish you could have just have that banya consistently. You know gonna happen because Shannel gonna always feel like Jaga do some fuckery and you gonna always feel obligated at some point to defend him or to defend yourself. So no more go meet, you know.
Yeah,
but and I really my mouth to really get in it still. But me that really, you know, me just want to not happy. That's it. I don't want to not happy.
Thank you, baby. Honestly, we always have to work for ourselves and so forth. But the only thing me always I tell Shannel say as a mother-in-law, I want she stand up for herself more. I mean, no, you can't force her to do it, but I want Shannel stand up for herself more. You understand?
You don't want Shannel to become abusive either, you know, because you see, the minute she become abusive, she's going to be uncontrollable. Because if Shannel really turn all her pain in her anger, not go eat him, because every blood clot body gonna feel it.
Yeah,
And you really don't want that.
Yeah,
so
because
when you see her this one,
today, me see one time she look at me and say, you chose she over me. You could have heard it in her voice like she really mad at me. And me, I know a man, you know, me no ain't chat to him man the way they know. You chose she over me.
Annie, how much time me come to you and me say to you, say, Annie,
Annie,
these girls are looking to you as a mother. You see the relationship that they have with you. I know what them have with Jaga. Jaga and them, you fuck them. You know, fuck them and them naturally love you. Girl, you know, I feel like you have a mother-in-law where you fucking love. You love that woman them more than any fucking thing as a way. You fuck up, you're kill him more than you're kill him, man. Me I tell you.
Yeah, but true, yes.
Me I tell you, when I have a mother-in-law will rap with you and reason with you and share the ropes, you love that woman there. This way that the woman they fuck up, you feel like your own mother hurt you, girl.
That's true.
I want different type of pain, so them love you. And my sister, the two of them genuinely develop one little love for you and so. You see it, Shannel, the threesome, it's fresh. You don't go get it yet. I saw you go down for fuck all 3 times, all 10 times before you get it. I saw threesome work. Yeah, girl. In every threesome, problem in it. Every threesome, there's problem. Because if the man look for the other girl too hard, worse than they run each other. And I like so, I want a stranger on the fuck on and I see back the stranger, you know. Yeah. Remember say one on the fuck on and they run each other every day. All if Tajay walk past TT panty pan line, your heart start at you. I saw you go.
Yeah,
and as me tell you and TT have to develop food own a band. You see, if you don't love each other and develop food band, that tree something and that go work, girl.
That's true.
So, you don't have to develop on your own band. I'm not going to get it. Because you can't say so don't love each other, all don't love each other. I'm not going to get it, you're not going to get it there.
But you got that TT said, TT really like you. You get me? And she feel like...
Yeah, them going to get there. Shannel, you have to start lick the pum pum, man. So, you have to suck you up.
You're the...
Oh my God!
No, sir.
TT says she did genuinely like you. So it's like TT like see when them left her out. TT says she don't want to feel left out.
Yeah.
Fun.
But that's gonna happen and TT have to understand that Shannel and Jagger band is different from what she and him are gonna have. She's going to see them having them moments. She can't get jealous and she can't bad mind. And when Shannel see them have them moments, she can't get jealous and she can't get bad mind. If you two of them decide to share the man, they have to just decide to share the man. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like them want to share. I feel like them. I don't feel like the sharing thing are gonna work. I feel like said I want my advice. D, please listen to my advice.
Yeah, babe.
I feel like said I just want TT for just move on, focus on herself, and Shannel do the same thing as well. Focus on herself and her babies and her baby father. You get what me I say? Because me don't want to see two of them feel that hurt. Me love it both of them. I tell you the truth. Me can't let go TT because I have a love for TT and therefore me definitely have a strong bond with Shannel and I love Shannel as well. You get me? Right? So it's like me feel like said to make everything better and I want to take you ladies to Panama with me. I feel like TT supposed to do her own thing and you just continue, you know, move on. That's just my saying, D. It's just, yeah, that's me.
Oh, anyway, if me chip out and it jump off, I chew me a drive here, I'm going to chew one little body here.
Alright, no problem.
But me love you know, I'm wanting to hold up on the head. I told you guys all the time, you guys have great potential. You guys are beautiful people. Being around you guys is never a dull moment. You know, warm, you know, welcoming. Expect that to Shannel. I mean, I see him yesterday.
What me do?
You ain't come. Me never
see you yesterday, so you ain't welcoming. Because I never see you. But when I say that warm and welcoming same way. But back to me, I say, you have beautiful personality and I just want to live good. Because you know if you live good, you know you want to leak. Because you know if you live good. And top make Jagger the weapon the farm against everybody.
I feel that the Jagger the weapon because this one I come will complain, the next one I come complain. Jesus Christ, man, me need one secretary office. Everybody I come with some sort of complaint. So me ready to tell them, say listen to me now, break it apart, and me want everybody live peaceful. That's it. Just work, focus, make them money, live life, just be happy. That's it.
And it can happen. It can happen.
It can, and it definitely will put in your mind towards it. Right? You have anything else you want to say to me?
Look how the one Shannel, she's sexy. This girl have a modeling body, you know. This girl needs to start put on her blood clot at girl clothes them and do some friggin' the teeth. But you say you fuck pretty.
People them say me nah no clothes, D.
No, but
They say me nah no clothes. People them for me life.
I'm like, that early, so you know you have clothes, girl. You know you have clothes, so nobody with that.
So that they say.
Yeah, you're going to listen to them. Them are people that to back for them and follow them, you know, reach no way in their life. You hear me tell you?
yes.
You know you have nobody listen to people. That means like, you like,
Me have clothes, no, but you know all the time. Me buy sitting and no wear unless me go for one special occasion.
yeah, occasion and so forth. So you nobody listen to that. Oh, they say, oh, she dress. Shannel says, yeah.
I said, don't worry yourself. I said, I'm go to Shannel glow up, man. I'm go to Shannel glow up. I'm go to Shannel glow up. I'm stay about Shannel fight big and them someday. See people them in the comments and how Shannel ugly. Shannel a pretty blood clad girl. Shannel is a pretty beautiful, nice girl. So you can't stay there. Shannel go and glow up your stay?
You ever see me catch up me here so and carry back way so I see people.
You not hear me guys or me gone again?
Ready?
I wonder if me still on or me come off. I don't know.
You can't hear me?
Annie baby, me still there?
You can't hear me? D?
Let me go around the corner and I feel like you're going to pick up better.
Yeah. I pick it one pick up. We're supposed to when we settle down so we're supposed to go to the I don't want to make nobody try to tear you down or you see internet mama. I beg you. I always remember if say pay my one them will love you and support you. They give a damn virus and then we chat up their mouth. Some of them when they not even badge they don't have. Me I tell you that when they do that check up their mouth. Pay my one them will love you and I support you and I say yes Shannel girl. You understand what me I say? The rest of them cut them off. You know nothing to do with them. That is it. Come like say she will call me. Alright, see me now, I'm not turn on the comment because we didn't want them to get so we got in the last half we go come so again. So guys, only can hear we? No. And we want to hear, you know, give on a look at 2 cents about it. Alright. And if look here, I'm gonna go on you know. From the comment section look good. We are like it down back. Cause we soon come off. I think that's how we are going to play a game. You play a game with so? I think it's supposed to get look at charge already.
Supposed to.
Yeah, no free up. Shannel, we love Shannel. Auntie Tamika. Oh, call me Auntie Tamika. We can't even catch back that. Yeah, free up. Love Annie, free up. Jesus. Yes. One Shannel we need. Oh Jesus, that I go too fast. Oh, you need to hear from Dragon and we need people them we need to hear from them too as well. So guys, that means so we are gonna have a part 2 then, alright? So we're gonna have a next part to this. And they give Shannel. Oh Jesus, Shannel, catch some of them there, Dragon.
I can't read all of them comments.
Guys, there's a lot though. Take time now. Hold on, man. One Shannel. Alright, we see that. Love Shannel. Love say the both of you. Thank you, baby. Love Shannel. Love Shannel. What? I don't know who asked you one question, but I can't even read them. I can't read them, guys. Them are go up so fast. Love TT. Love TT. Love. Hey. Oh, God. Alright, done. That one ain't built for me. Guys, that one never built for me. The comments are go up really fast. We can't get to read them. Big up Shannel. Shannel, them are big up. Big up the people, them know, say them love you, girl.
I can't even read them comments.
No, just say big up and say love. There's a lot of people showing you love here.
Love you,
Love
Shannel.
One Shannel. Love you, Shannel. Today was a prank.
Well. Love you guys.
Love Annie. Love you, baby. Thank you. Blue team, blue art. Big up yourself. Big up, no flow. Oh my God, thank you. Love Shannel, love you. Guys, yeah, so many people and them love you. One Shannel. Oh Jesus. Pick up yourself. Hey baby, somebody has sent a request here. We don't want the argument.
No, for these people, you know.
Remember, say my page, you see, maybe you know something from yours. Somebody said one blood clot Shannel.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one question out of no disrespect. Moya, answer me. Shannel, you don't have no family in real life? No other relative?
Huh?
You don't got no relative other than your in-law? Just that one answer. Them don't care about you?
Other side of family.
Them don't concern about you like what go on the internet. Them not call you?
Well, most of them not talk to me.
So because your and me not disrespect you, but me just have to come bluntly. Okay? So because your family them don't accept you, that means you have to put up to every food and you come with. And you don't take me down in a car.
Come down bluntly. You're bright and blood clot face thing. Bluntly, me I take you down. You're bright and blood clot face thing. Me ask you a question. What are you doing? Anything you do, me I force you? Shannel, I make our money. We do what we have to do. We're working. You get me? No foolishness what me do. You understand me? I said them not agree now. Them have to agree and do what them have to do. You get what me I say? Me no force them in nothing. So me I take you down fucking bluntly. You chat too blood clot much. Shannel of our family, we reach out to her and talk to her. You get me? Shannel of our phone where she can talk to her family. So no fight time you're too fucking fast. Mind your own business. Bluntly. Bluntly. Crazy. See if you can read to the Sunday. You have to get me got it. You have to get it this one?
Yeah, me can come. Most of them come in say I go too fast. Me I be a laugh in the emoji me I see most. Most of them.
Yes, Annie. Enough of them wicked and bad because them know say Shannel a do her thing. Shannel a big woman, Shannel sensible. You think Shannel not sensible? Shannel a sensible piece of girl. You think me can cuss Shannel and Shannel no cuss me back? Me put Shannel in her place. Shannel put me back in her for me place. Remember me tell you that. So enough of them just come here so just a chat up their mouth. You understand what me I say? Bluntly. I said then cause one bag of request. Well, they don't add anybody, Shannel. Do not add anybody.
Other girl like even other woman.
Only. It's the place. So you say if you add some of them, you go see argument with them and them are the pan scream recording. Don't take them up in them back. Some of them they will. One man did they do? Me like man, you know. Me like man bad. Seriously, me see one man in my comments. Oh my God! Adim, you're too disgusting! You're too disgusting! You're too goddamn disgusting, bro. Guys, what I really want you to come up and talk with me, but we're not in a bag of argument with people. We are telling the truth. We're not in that right now. Oh, me know my church sister. Well, and them, me know that lady here. Me know a couple of them people here. Well, and they lovely. Me know lovely too. Me know lovely too. I mean, I know how that man here. Sam look like one hip hop artist. Shannel, you want to talk to him?
I don't know who you talk about. Woman, me I see you.
See man the Shannel.
Where? And I don't see who you talk.
Hold on, no man, me just see the man. Hold on. So the woman send back request, you know? You see a woman when me take down bluntly. She take send request. No man.
But in name gone because a bag of people are saying.
Yeah, because all the people are sending requests, but me not taking anybody requests and people are kind of stuff. You know? And she really and truly send it back like she know no sense. She better wait till you come pan for your life, because you not come pan for me.
I don't see man.
Hold on. The amount of requests we get you set up back foot. Seriously? Well, and then I take out the lady. I go make it we're in now. Cause Zoe, make Zoe go deal with this.
Zoe.
The lady, I know the lady.
Zoe.
You know what I realize that people always quick for blame me for things. I realize that when people do things off of them own and run come blame me. You understand what I say? You see them dirty family will not try to say people are each upside down. You don't realize say family I get big. You don't realize that people are coming at the same dirty family. Eh? So you think if we didn't do Shannel nothing, Shannel would keep on coming back over, good girl Annie there. Yes, you know, say you're a little dirty bad mind girl. Can you go talk about anything where Annie up to? You understand what I say? You know anything you want me about and you're chatting a people situation? You better they come up and ask some question. Because if I was hurting Shannel would keep on come back push part me there. When people wicked and do your things, you're not going to push part the people them there. You understand what I say? So Shannel have a mind of her own. At the end of the day, Shannel have a mind of her own. You get me? So at the end of the day, when you keep on come and blame me, no for uno just messed up and fucked up. You understand what I say? It no matter if we want those skits, it no matter if a plan we want planning, it no matter if a real life, it matter that we always come back together. That's what matter. What matter is we always come back together. We always find ourselves and we always know how to use our brains. You understand what I say? One money to go up. Alright, make them know that. One money gun for come up here. Anybody who want come up here, send a money gun. Them a come back. Anybody who want come up here, send a money gun. And we have to see the person who send the money gun, and we take them up in the box. You know how much time then go over Shannel page and I tell Shannel say, run from run, Annie. A dirty people. Annie this, Annie that, Annie Ray, Annie there. Which part of the see Shannel? Right round Annie same way. Right round Annie foot same goddamn way. Oh God, man. Oh God. I know found I just eat to not eat me. Bluntly.